Alright, y'all, I'm about to do something that I don't recommend, which is going to go buy a four-wheeler at 6 o'clock at night when it's pitch black outside. I don't recommend y'all doing this. This might not be a good idea. I'm sure it's not a good idea to look at anything in the dark, but we're about to go do it. So let's go look at this Honda TRX or 400EX. So I don't recommend doing this. Don't do this. Yeah, we're going to see how this work out. So I would like to say, first off, I don't condone buying anything at night, and the only reason why we went to go look at this 2001 TRX 400EX is because it was someone we knew. But one thing that I try to take a lot of time to do is I try to investigate pictures as close as possible. A lot of times I will look up stock photos of the item that I'm buying because I like the items that I buy and items that I help to buy to be as complete as possible. Because if you buy something that's not complete, then you will nickel and dime yourself to death trying to replace parts that you find that are missing. This TRX 400EX was complete. Really the only thing that it was missing was the factory skid plate for the rear swing arm, which it seems like every 400EX is missing. But the plastics look good. Of course the seats need to be replaced, front tires need to be replaced. But as a whole, it looked good and it ran good. Speaking of running good, I will play the video from the Facebook post now, and y'all let me know how it sounds. Well, we did what I said you shouldn't do, which is buy something in the dark. So when we get it up in his garage, we will take a look at it and you can see what we got. But it's a decently clean 400EX. Got a 426 kit with hot cam, Wasco piston. So we gonna get it up in there where we can really look at it. We'll show y'all what we got. Give it just a little, just give it a little bit of throttle. Yeah, it's cold. Just give it a little bit of throttle. Just ease it on up there. No, just ease it on up. Alright y'all, here it is. 2001 400EX. So the guy we got it from said that he bought it, it wasn't running. And he said he did a Wasco big bore kit with the hot cam. And it runs good and it sounds good. Other than that, that's what he said he did. It looked like they put a new clutch cable on it. And that's about it. What we see that it needs front tires. So Courtland's going to order all 4 tires, and we'll just leave these for backup. We're going to do cosmetic stuff, of course. We got to take care of the seat. He's ordering a graphics kit, and we're going to see if we paint these plastics, because the graphics kit is going to be yellow and black. So we're going to see if we paint these plastics or if we find another set of plastics and paint those. We getting shock covers, bumper, the little feet joints, Nerf bars, all of that. The guy did use the 400 carb and he jetted it, because normally they put the 450 carb on it, but he jetted the 400 carb, and then it does have an HMF pipe on it, and they don't have the baffle in it. It's loud, but it sounds good. But when he gets the tires, when I pull the tires off, I'm going to polish these wheels up, because they don't look to be in that bad of shape. Oh, we probably need to paint the hubs black or yellow as well. But all the wheels look good. It's just this one wheel that I don't understand how it got like these gouges in the inside of the lip. So if y'all done that before, let me know. But I'm gonna see if I can wet sand some of them gouges out when I get the tire off. But other than that, everything looks good. I'm gonna let him know that he needs to get a chain guard and a disc brake guard as well. That way, we ride on trails, we hit something, we won't tear the rear sprocket up or the disc brake. The axles and everything seem to be straight. The guy said he put a new battery in it and a new L filter, and the L filter is oiled. That's one of the first things I checked. So he did oil the L filter and everything. The only issue that we see right now is that the handlebars are tilted that way. And I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's not the bars. It looks like the neck itself is tilted. So may see if we can find another neck, but maybe good to go there. Then probably just gonna paint the thumb throttle cap, probably black. Just kind of go with everything. But yeah, this will be on the channel. We'll be getting this hooked up, cleaned up. It ride good right now, so we just got to work on cosmetic stuff and get it going. So it'll be on the channel, and hopefully I'll have my own 400EX shortly after I get some stuff sold. So y'all let us know what stuff that we should do, and if y'all like 400EX content, tune in and we're gonna try to bring it to you. So like everything else, think, build, enjoy. Peace.